good evening. I'm UR15 CS335. So this is my second program in applet, which is nothing but a simple calculator which calculates addition, division, multiplication, and subtraction. So on calculator, basically you have number of buttons, and then you have to do the arithmetic operations. So so you have a display text display, and you have buttons. So in order to get the display actions and all, you have to implement action listener. So let's see the program. Here is my program for calculator, which implements action listener. So when you touch a button, it just you have a lot of functions in action listener. So when you touch a button, like if it is of 9 or 8, it just indicates that particular function in action listener, that action event has happened, and that even particular event just finds what event has happened and what key is has been selected. So in order to create a calculator, we need this following things. So we have string S1, S2, S3, S4, and S5, a frame, and many buttons, a panel to create a calculator, and a text field to display what all numbers is selected, and a grid layout that is for each buttons. So here I have calculator constructor. In constructor, I've created my frame, that is my calculator, and a panel, and I have set to set some layout. My layout method is flow layout. So now, in order to create a, I have created the button, but I have to add it to my panel. So B1 is equal to new button. That is, my new button is 0, and I have to do B1 dot add action listener this. So this button has been added, and once if it is touched, then it indicates to the action listener that a particular event has happened. Simultaneously, I have to do for all 17 buttons, and then a text field. Text field is created. Text field is equal to new text field. It is of some 20 size. It is also added, and a grid layout. Grid layout, it is like a matrix, that is how many 4 rows and 4 columns, and height and width and all, and this is layout. So everything is created, you have to add everything to the panel. So you use add b1, add b2, add b3, and the total calculator size, that is 300 comma 300, and I should set the visibility as true. Only then my calculator will be visible to everyone. So I have implemented the action listener. So it consists of several functions which gives us the facility to do the operations in the calculator. So public void action performed is a function in that you have action event E, that is it's an object. It just captures the event that has happened. So if E dot get source is equal to B1, if B1 is pressed, so you get a text that is either a number, and S4 is 0. If S4 is nothing, S4 is initialized to 0. So S3 is equal to S3 plus S4. So it gives back it sets the value as S3. And B2, if button 2 is pressed, the same thing, it gets the text. S4 is set to 1. S5 is equal to S3 plus S4, and it sets the text as S5. So for B3, it just goes on till B16. So in B16, if C is equal to 1, that is, this is for addition. This button 16 is for addition. So if this is pressed, the integer you got integer dot parse in S1 and the integer dot parse in S2, it will be added, and you will get the value in the variable called n. And the same way, if C2 is nothing but subtraction, C3 is multiplication, and C4 is division. and also you have C5 as modulus, and if it is of B17, it is a clear button, so it just shows a empty this thing in a text file. So here we have public static void main. We have simply created the object for the class for calculator. Since we have done all the operations in the constructor, once the object is created, everything gets initialized and it just runs. We'll see the output now. So you can see the calculator. So you have some 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 17 buttons. So let me do something. I'm pressing 12 into 12 is equal to 144. I've got a value. We'll do an addition. I can clear it. So 10 plus 56, it gives 66. Yes. Again, you can clear it. You can do some subtraction kind of thing. 1, 2, it gives. So this is a very simple calculator, and it does all simple operations. Thank you.